A very pleasant morning to my dear student. Today we are going to discuss the next module of the chapter that is related to land transport. My dear student, today we will discuss about railways and pipeline. My dear student, railways are the principal mode of transportation for freight and passenger in our country. Freight means the goods. Even railways make it possible to conduct the multifarious activities, mean that is a multi-dimensional activities just like the business, sightseeing, pilgrimage and along with the transportation of goods over the long distances. My dear student, apart from an important means of transportation, the Indian Railway have been a great integrating force that is more than 150 years. Even railways in our country bind the economic life of the country as well as the accelerate the development of industry and agriculture. Indian Railway have a network of 7,133 stations spread over a route length of 66,687 km with a fleet of 11,123 locomotives. Even some passengers services are here, and that is the each coach vehicles, and that is the wagons on march, that is till 2011. My dear student, the first Indian Railway that is steamed off in our country from Mumbai to Thane in 1853, that covered only a distance of 34 km. But my dear student, the distribution of railway network of our country is largely influenced physiographic, economic and administrative factor. For example, the northern plain with their vast land, high population density and rich agricultural resources provided the most favorable condition for their growth. Even that requires a large water for constructing the bridge across their wide beds, and that posed some obstacle. Even in hilly areas of the peninsular region, railway tracks are laid through only of low hills, and that is the gaps or the tunnels. My dear student, it is very difficult to lay the railway lines on the sandy plain. For example, Rajasthan, even the swamp of Gujarat and the forest track of Madhya Pradesh, that is very difficult to lay down the railway track. But in the recent times, the development of Konkan Railway along the west coast has facilitated the movement of passenger and the goods, and this is the most important economic reason of our country. My dear student, even railways face a lot of challenge. Now, what are these challenges? The first and the main challenge is here: many passengers in our country travel without ticket. Even theft and damaging of railway property has not yet stopped completely. Even people stop the train, pull the chain unnecessary, and that cause heavy damage to the railways. Now the another concept of land transportation, that is a pipeline. This is a new concept, and the pipeline transport network is a new arrival of transportation map of our country. In the past, only the pipeline used for the water transportation to the cities and the industry, but nowadays that is used for transporting the crude oil, petroleum product, natural gas from oil and natural gas field to the refineries, fertilizer factories and the big thermal plant. Even solid can be transported through the pipeline when that is converted into slurry. Slurry means liquid. The far inland location of refineries just like Barauni, Mathura, Panipat and the gas-based fertilizer plants could be thought only that is because of pipeline. Initial cost of laying the pipeline is very high, but subsequent running cost is very small. Minimum is small. It rules out transshipment losses or delay. My dear student, in our country there are three network of pipeline. The first pipeline is from oil field in Upper Assam to Kanpur, that is by Guwahati, Barauni and Allahabad. Second pipeline from Salaya in Gujarat to Jalandhar in Punjab, and it has many branches to connect Koili near Barodara, Gujarat and Jhaskor at other places. And the third gas pipeline from Hajaria in Gujarat that connects Jagdishpur in Uttar Pradesh by Vijayapur in Madhya Pradesh, and it has branches in Kota in Rajasthan, Shahjahanpur, Babrela and other places in Uttar Pradesh. I think you have understood railways and pipeline. Thank you and have a nice day.